Hello, everyone, and welcome to English by Mind Training. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. Today we're going to help you relax your mind and improve your English listening in a very natural and easy way.
Yes, this is not a fast lesson. This is not a difficult lesson. This is a smooth and simple conversation that you can listen to again and again.
So wherever you are right now, maybe sitting, maybe walking, maybe lying down, just relax and listen.
Let's begin with something simple. Alex, how was your day today?
My day was calm and peaceful. I woke up early in the morning and I decided to start my day without checking my phone.
That sounds nice. Many people check their phones as soon as they wake up.
Yes, and that can make your mind busy very quickly. But today, I wanted a slow and quiet start.
So what did you do instead?
I opened the window, felt the fresh air, and just sat quietly for a few minutes. It made me feel relaxed.
That's beautiful. Sometimes small moments like these can change the whole day.
Exactly. After that, I made a cup of coffee and listened to soft music.
I love that. Simple routines can make life feel more peaceful.
What about you, Sarah? How was your morning?
My morning was also simple. I woke up a little late, but I didn't rush. I moved slowly and calmly.
That's important. Many people rush in the morning and feel stressed the whole day.
Yes, and when you rush, your mind becomes tired very quickly.
So today, we want our listeners to feel calm, not stressed.
Exactly. And while you are listening to us, you don't need to understand every single word.
That's very important. Just listen. Let your brain learn naturally.
Language is not only about studying, it is also about feeling.
Yes, feeling the rhythm, the sound, and the flow of words.
So, let's continue our conversation. Alex, do you enjoy slow days?
Yes, I do. Slow days help me think clearly. I can focus better and enjoy small things.
I agree. Fast life can be exciting, but slow life is peaceful.
And peace is something we all need.
Absolutely. For example, even walking slowly in a park can feel amazing.
Yes, you can notice trees, birds, and even the sound of the wind.
When we slow down, we start noticing life.
That's a powerful thought.
And learning English can also be like this. You don't need to hurry.
Take your time. Listen again and again.
Even if you understand only 50%, it is okay.
Yes, your brain is still learning.
And slowly, without pressure, you will improve.
Let's talk about something interesting now. Sarah, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy reading simple books and listening to calm podcasts.
That sounds perfect for learning English.
Yes, because I choose content that is easy and relaxing. That's a good tip for our listeners.
Always choose content that matches your level.
And don't choose something too difficult.
Otherwise, you may feel frustrated.
And we don't want that. We want learning to feel easy and enjoyable.
Exactly. Learning should feel like a natural part of your day.
Not like a burden.
Let's take a small example. Imagine you are listening to English while drinking tea.
You are relaxed, comfortable, and focused.
That is the best way to learn.
Not when you are stressed or tired.
Because stress blocks learning.
Yes, your mind closes when you feel pressure.
So today, we are opening your mind slowly.
With calm words and simple sentences.
And a natural conversation.
Now, let's continue talking about daily life. Alex, do you like evenings?
Yes, I really enjoy evenings. They feel calm and gentle after a long day.
I feel the same. Evenings give us a chance to slow down and relax our minds.
After a busy day, that slow feeling is very important.
Yes, because when we slow down, we start to feel more present.
And being present helps us learn better.
That's true. When your mind is calm, you understand things more clearly.
So evenings can be a perfect time to practice English.
Absolutely. You can sit quietly and listen without distractions.
And you don't need a long time.
Even 10 or 15 minutes is enough.
Consistency matters more than time.
Yes, doing a little every day is better than doing a lot once.
Let's talk about listening again.
Sure, listening is one of the most powerful ways to learn English.
But many people think it is difficult,
That's because they try to understand everything at once.
which is not necessary.
Not at all. You just need to understand the general idea.
Your brain will slowly learn the details.
And over time, your understanding will grow naturally.
So don't worry if you miss some words.
Missing words is part of learning.
Even advanced learners miss words sometimes.
Yes, and that's completely normal.
Now let's imagine something simple.
Okay.
You are sitting in your room in the evening.
The light is soft and the environment is quiet.
You press play on this podcast.
And you start listening without stress.
You don't try too hard.
You just listen and relax.
This is the best way to learn.
Because your mind stays open.
And an open mind learns faster.
Now let's talk about another important thing.
What is that?
Repetition.
Yes, repetition is very powerful.
Listening again and again helps your brain remember.
The first time, everything may feel new.
The second time, it feels familiar.
And the third time, it feels easy.
That's how progress happens.
Step by step.
Without pressure.
Now I have a question for you, Sarah.
Go ahead.
What should listeners do if they feel bored?
That's a good question. If you feel bored, try changing your content.
So, variety is important.
Yes, but keep it simple.
Don't choose something too difficult.
Because that can make you tired.
And we don't want that.
We want learning to feel light and enjoyable.
Exactly.
You can also listen while doing something relaxing.
Like walking or drinking tea.
Yes, that makes learning natural.
And not stressful.
Now let's talk about confidence.
Confidence is very important.
Yes, but it takes time to build.
You don't become confident in one day.
It grows slowly.
Just like learning.
So be patient with yourself.
And don't judge your progress too quickly.
Every learner has a different speed.
And that is okay.
Now let's share a small tip.
Sure.
Try to listen actively.
What do you mean by actively?
Focus on the sound and meaning.
Not just hearing, but understanding.
Yes, even if it is partial understanding.
That still helps your brain.
And over time, it becomes stronger.
Now let's continue our calm conversation.
Yes, let's keep this peaceful flow going.
Sometimes I like to sit near a window in the evening.
That sounds relaxing.
I watch the sky change colors.
That's a beautiful moment.
And during that time, I listen to English.
That connects learning with a peaceful feeling.
Exactly.
And when learning feels good, you do it more often.
Which means more improvement.
Now let's remind our listeners of something important.
Yes,
You don't need to be perfect.
perfection is not the goal.
Progress is the goal.
Small daily progress.
That leads to big results.
Now, before we move forward, take a deep breath
Relax your shoulders.
and clear your mind.
You are doing well,
You're learning step by step.
and that is enough.
Keep going without pressure,
And enjoy the process,
because learning should feel peaceful.
not stressful.
Now, let's gently move into a more relaxed and deeper part of our conversation.
Yes, where we talk about calm places and peaceful moments in life.
Yes, I really enjoy quiet places. They help me feel peaceful and focused.
I love quiet places too. They give us space to think and breathe.
Exactly. In a quiet place, even simple sounds feel special.
Like the sound of leaves moving or birds singing.
Yes, and these small sounds can calm your mind.
A calm mind learns better.
That's true.
So if you want to improve your English, choose a calm environment
It will help you focus more.
and understand better.
Now, let's talk directly to our listeners.
Yes, if you are listening right now, you are already improving.
Even if you feel slow, you are moving forward.
Every word you hear is helping your brain.
Every sentence is building your understanding.
So don't stop.
Keep listening every day.
Make it part of your routine.
Like drinking water or having tea.
Simple and natural.
And slowly, English will become part of your life.
You will start thinking in English.
You will understand without translating.
And that is a beautiful moment.
Yes, when learning feels effortless.
Before we end, let's share one final thought.
Learning a language is not a race,
It is a journey.
a slow and meaningful journey.
So enjoy every step.
Don't rush.
Don't compare yourself to others,
Just focus on your own progress.
because your journey is unique.
And you are doing great.
Keep believing in yourself
Keep listening with patience.
and keep moving forward.
Now, let us continue a little more before we say goodbye.
Yes, let's stay with our listeners for a few more moments and keep this calm feeling going.
Sometimes people think learning English needs a lot of time.
But in reality, even a few minutes every day can make a big difference.
Consistency is more important than long hours.
If you listen daily, your brain becomes familiar with the language.
And slowly, things that felt difficult start to feel easy.
You may not notice the change at first.
But one day, you will realize you understand more than before.
That moment feels very special.
It gives you confidence.
And that confidence helps you keep going.
So never think your effort is wasted.
Every small step matters.
Even listening to this conversation is a step forward.
And we are happy to be part of your journey.
Let's talk about one more simple idea.
Yes, something our listeners can use in daily life.
Try to listen without translating every word.
Just focus on the meaning.
Let the words flow naturally.
This will make your listening faster and easier.
And over time, your brain will understand automatically.
This is how children learn language.
And it works for adults too.
So trust the process
Stay patient.
and keep practicing.
Now, take a deep breath and relax.
Feel calm and comfortable.
You are doing something good for yourself.
Learning is a beautiful journey.
And you are on the right path.
We believe in you.
And we are here to support you.
Before we finish, remember this simple line.
Slow learning is strong learning.
And strong learning stays with you forever.
So keep your pace steady.
And enjoy every moment.
Thank you again for being with us.
We truly appreciate your time.
And we hope you feel more confident now.
Keep coming back and keep listening.
Because every time you listen, you grow.
Until next time, take care of yourself.
Stay calm, stay focused, and keep learning.
This is English by Mind Training.
Where your mind learns slowly, clearly, and naturally.